And there's a good chance that millions of us have been doing something wrong just about every night for years. Engineers at the University of Birmingham in the UK have turned their attention to automatic dishwashers in all those households lucky enough to have them. It turns out you should place the dishes in more or less a circle, all facing inward on that lower rack. It optimizes water flow. They say the center of the top shelf is a good place to get the full force of the water jets for that baked-on stuff.